December 9th, 2020. So here I gotta go a couple of towns over and do a burner service for a lady. She called me. I don't think I've ever been here before. Somebody I used to work for referred me to do this for her, so I'm gonna go over there and I don't know how bad it's gonna be, but we'll check it out. You know, once you take these new customers on and you do a cleaning for them, all of a sudden now you got another customer and they got no heat, they're gonna be calling you, so I mean, it don't pay to cut corners. I don't believe I cut corners. I mean, I do what I need to do on these services, and some guys will change every filter that's possible in there, and a lot of times it's not needed. So I feel I do what I have to do, and what I don't have to do, I don't do. I don't charge them for it. So that's how I operate. Everybody's different, you know. A lot of people call me, how much for cleaning? I got no set fee. It depends on how bad it is and what you need. They want a certain fee, and then when you get there, the thing's all full of soot, and that takes you another hour to clean it. Well, it's going to be more money, guy. T&M. That's how I operate. There's probably more money in it doing it the other way. At that price. You know, most of the time you go in there and you're shining, you're in and out, and you're making extra money. I try to be fair with people.
On the right to 140 north.
We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Hopefully it's not too dark and dingy down there. We'll see. It's getting a little cold out today. It's probably 30 degrees this morning. It's a little nipply out. Can't be without heat now for too long. Miss Molly's got a new coat from her wardrobe. Typical female, got all kinds of, got a big wardrobe. It's leaking. I'm gonna change that.
What, a tank?
No, this is definitely leaking right here. See it all blue? I gotta change that relief valve, but I'm looking at that back one. If that back one's leaking too.
Oh well.
Checking. I don't know. We'll have to check that when I gotta change that for sure.
Okay.
First thing. Serviced.
It's probably been a couple years.
Couple of years.
Oh, shoot.
Alright, so that's where it is, the tank. It's in there somewhere.
And there's a light in there.
Yeah, alright.
I know, it's not a lot of space. I said to the guy when he was building.
Yeah, it's kind of an odd spot, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, if I gotta get in there, I know where it is.
Okay.
I gotta change that relief valve first thing though.
Okay.
Can I go in and out the house, or should I go to a bulkhead?
You can go right up.
Yeah, and the dog's locked up.
The dog is in the
Okay.
other room.
I got the water off. Hopefully I could get this thing out of here. She's a dripper. Oh, making a mess. I need pressure in it. She's leaking. Can't have that. They make a 75 and 100 PSI. This one's 100 PSI. This one. It's the tankless. That's the relief valve for the tankless. Dope. dope on there, Mom. A little frets, a little dope. Don't want to disturb any of these joints unless you have to. Let's turn the water back on so shit don't leak. Alright, water's back on. Water's back on. I don't know if that relief valve's leaking back there, but I don't think so. We also got this one here, the vacuum breaker. The 9D way back there. It's kind of an odd spot to put it. Kind of an easy spot to put it, actually. I like that idea for where the feeder is. It's an easy way to put it. Take the relief valve out, put a T there for the feeder in case it's like in the wrong spot. That's a good idea. Put a new nozzle on it, check the oil flow. Yeah, it's running good. It's not all full of soot. That's good. It's not black soot. That's good. Guys got the same idea as me. Look at that. Guys copying my stuff. Not a big fan of this boiler. It's been a couple of years, she said, not too bad. $85.80. I'll probably put a $75.80 in there. That's all we need here. See, the end's nice and clean. That means the filters are good. I'm gonna check the oil flow. Get this thing up and running. See how oil flow is. Start it up and check the oil flow. If we get a good oil flow, our filters are still good. We'll start it up, check the oil flow. I'll jump this out here. Filters are fine. We're getting good oil flow, that means our filters are all good. Change the nozzle, we're going to check the draft. Good draft over the fire there. That's what we want. We're getting good draft over the fire. That's what we want. Very good. Actually drop the nozzle down a little bit. That water should dry up, I'm thinking. I don't see anything else dripping. Replace pressure relief valve on tankless, new nozzle, clean burner head, good oil flow, good draft over fire. So good oil flow means the filters are still good. Good draft over fire means it's not full of soot. You can see it's nice and clean in there. So we're good to go. We're good to go. He said that he put new swing checks in there, sweat checks. Alright, that's it. What, you want pets? Did you miss me? Oh yeah, you missed Daddy. You missed me. Yeah, you missed me, you missed me. Alright, let me get her a slip. You missed me. Yeah, you're getting the Grinch feet. You're getting the Grinch feet, Molly. Let me get her a slip. I'll be right back.